So I was asked to do a cube shape video for Square-1, and that's going to be a lot of work, and there's quite a lot to know, so actually getting all that into one video will be a bit impractical. So I'm just going to do some example solves, hopefully 5 of them, just from random scrambles, and you'll be able to see what I'm thinking when I'm actually doing my solves. So hopefully I'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, just adjust this. Okay, so you've got two edges like that, and left fist. And what you want to be doing here is pairing, well, that line there, you want to put it along there. Then you can get it into paw quite easily. So I'll do that. Just, we've got paw, so match them up. Now you've gone into cube shape. Now for edge separation, no, corner separation should I say, just offset that, and if you do that, then you end up with two like that, then you've done it. So for this, it's quite an easy one, but also whilst I'm recognising my corner separation keys, I normally look for the edge permutation, and notice I've got 2 there and 2 there, so it'll just be double J. So I've got that, then double J, and I've got parity. So if I do an O-perm, which is clockwise, I think it goes that way. No, it's anti-clockwise. Yeah. But anyway, I normally work it out. I do one O-perm if I've got a U-perm going anti-clockwise. So I'll get an adjacent on top, then I'll have adjacent. So if I do O-perm where I offset it that way, then I'll end up with adjacent, which is a really easy case, and then it's solved. Okay. So next scramble. Okay, that's a really easy case. So what you want to be doing here is, when you've got a barrel and a kite, to get it into fist first, you always, doesn't matter if you have it like that or like that, but you want to be splitting the kite down the middle like that, and then you'll get into fist first. So in this case, if I do that, and then we've just got it into kite easily, and then into cube shape. So this is my corner separation case. It's just simply that. And then I've got edge there that needs separating correctly, and so there. And also I know that we've got diagonal on there and 2 there. So set it up, and then go straight into corner permutation, which offsets the middle layer, but that's okay. And then I've got parity. And it's a bit of a strange algorithm, but it does O-perm on bottom, which leaves me with a nice Z-perm, which is very easily done like that, and then correct middle layer, and it's done. Okay. So for this one, you can get it into one of my favourite shapes, like with one slice turn. So if you offset it like that, you end up with that, and you just do that. And well, you can either offset it that way to get kite and scallop, or if you offset it the other way, you get kite and barrel, whichever you prefer. I normally prefer to go into kite scallop, because then I'm going to have to judge which way I'm going to have to be doing to get into this first. So kite scallop, just solve that. Okay. Corner separations, another easy one. Well, they're all easy. So yeah, just slice and then put it into that. And got that's my separation case. I've already noticed I've got a diagonal corner permutation on top, so I can go straight into that. And EP is, I think I actually know this, going to it's good alg. Oops, messed that up. Yeah, I don't know it. Yeah, but I just sort it out with, I normally do adjacent, tried to shelf and it failed. Yeah, so next normal. So yeah, this is just a 4-move cube shape, line and 2-4. Not entirely sure on the names. I think they're right. So this is easily, you can get it easily into kite scallop by just offsetting it like that, and then slice, and you've got your kite and your scallop. So yeah, and then solve that like normal. Corner separation is another simple one. So there we go. Again, we've got this case, and also double J, and they're the solved corners already. And then I'm going to skip permutation on bottom, but we're going to have parity on the top. And it's an open, which I know. But oh, hang on. Normally the open I do goes that edge to there, that edge to there, that edge to there, that edge to there. But you can make it go the other way around if you do a different offset in the middle. So get to this point, and normally go that way, but instead go that way, and then resort to cube shape, and then just get it into solve position. Just do that instead, and it solves it. So this cube shape is, you can easily get it into kite scallop. Just takes a couple of adjustments. You need to basically just move that there. So if you do that, then just offset it again. Now I've got it into kite scallop. So it's easy just to do that. Then got the cube shape. So for corner separation, simply that. Then you've got diagonal on that on the bottom corner permutation, and got J on top. So do that to solve it. Now I'm going to skip EP on top, and then I'm going to have some kind of U-perm probably, but I might be wrong. Yep, U-perm. And then normally just solve this with adjacent twice, and then correct middle layer by just cancelling into it. And do another one, final one. And same cube shape as first time around. So you want to pair that line, or you can either turn it that way as well, just got middle layer like that. But I'm going to have it like that. I want to pair that line with over there with the edges, and then just get it into 4-4, like so. Offset, well, yeah. Corner separation, like so. And then you've got two edges there, solved, or corner should I say. So and that's the edge separation. And again, I'm going to skip EP on top, and I'm going to have the U-perm. So I just do adjacent twice. It's solved. Yeah, I hope this was useful. I might have gone a bit quick at times, but yeah.